What's up everyone, Natalie here from Serpstat. Welcome back to our channel. And if you have been following our series, then you'd know that we're currently doing Serpstat. But if this is your first time in our channel, welcome first of all. So here in Serpstat, what we do is basically we make reviews of different SEO tools that are available online so that you can have an idea or some insights on what would work best for you and your business. So currently we're doing Serpstat. We have done different SEO tools prior, so if you want to see all of those, definitely head on over to our playlist so that you can see the different tools that we have done. But yeah, before I formally begin this video, I just want to let you all know that in Serpstat we have a lead generation tool that will allow you to get white label audits for your website. So all you need to do is head on over to our page, which is serpstat.com, and then you'd see there are short forms here. This one is for the audit, and then this one is if you want to get a guide showing you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month. Then definitely just leave your name and email, and then we can get you started on that. Alrighty, so going back to Serpstat, previously we've discussed all about keyword research overview so that we have an idea of what to look forward to and expect when we utilize the feature of keyword research. But for this specific video, we'll be talking about the subcategories or the subtopics under SEO research, which is also within the keyword research feature. Alright, so let's go ahead and check what keywords selection is. So it will lead us to another page where we will be discussing about the specific keyword that we inputted during our discussion about keyword research overview, which is SEO agency. So I believe that this keyword will be the one or is going to be the one that will be used throughout this entire discussion. But if you want to change it as well, then definitely you can just check, or you can change it here, as well as the database. So for SEO agency in particular, you're gonna have a list of keywords that are ranking per se. So that's SEO agency SEO, as well as the different ones as well. I mean, you can also see that there are specific locations here like London, UK, and that is because we have changed the database into the UK database. So that's why those are the ones showing up. So you also will be getting keyword difficulty, volume, CPC or cost per click, PPC competition, results, and social domains. So if ever that you are not familiar with any of these terms, or some of these terms rather, then you can just click on or hover your mouse on that specific word or term, and then you will be given a short description of what it is about. Also, if you want to filter something out, you can just click on this, and then a filter would appear, and you can arrange it depending on your preference. So you can also change how many displayed items or keywords you want, and then here you can change the targeted country, and then you can also copy it to clipboard and export the results as well. So that is it for the keyword selection tool. This will be very helpful in order to determine which keywords specifically are ranking for that specific or for that particular database or keyword as well. So the main keyword, I mean, so you can utilize this to determine what those trending keywords are or ranking keywords would be. So yeah, that's it actually for this video. Hope you found this helpful, and for any takeaways, just leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Also, hopefully you'd still tune in for the rest of the Serpstat series. But that is it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next one.